What's up, YouTube fam, and welcome back to my channel. Y'all, look at my sister's hair. Look at her hair and how much it's grown. I'm gonna leave the video that I did. I think I did her some knotless. It wasn't long after she cut it all the way down, and it has grown so much. If y'all have been watching and following her journey, you already know what I'm talking about. But yeah, sis, come through, natural hair. Anyways, y'all, today we are doing feed-in braids. She just wanted like 6 feed-in braids to the back with 2 of the small ones coming to the front with beads. So I'm gonna slow it down in a second so y'all can really get into how I do my feed-in braids. I believe I have a video up already, but hey, this is gonna be a more detailed video for y'all to see. So yeah, just keep watching, y'all. Okay, y'all, when it comes to stitch braids, you really want your parts to be straight. Like, put that product down your part once you part it like that and just straighten it up. They have so many different combs out now, y'all, that will help aid in your parting process. So just like the one I'm using now, it has like a little, it looks like a tooth is missing at the comb, but it really helps to get those clean parts. Now, I like to go ahead and put my product that I'm using on, and then I get that combed in real good. And I start my stitch braids off by sectioning that little piece out at the front, and then I part it down the middle, and that keeps it straight to me, if that makes sense. Everybody doesn't do it, but I like to do it because it helps me. It's like a guide that I go by. For the actual stitch look, some people will use the comb, but I like to use my nails, especially when I have them done, and it helps get those lines super straight. If not, just use your comb. Take your time. That's the thing with stitch braids, you have to take your time if you're not used to it to make sure those parts are together. So I really slowed it down so y'all can really see what I'm doing, and then I'll speed it back up. If your stitch braids aren't looking the way you really want them to look, keep practicing. Y'all, I cannot preach that enough. Practice makes perfect. Get you a mannequin and go to work, or get you a client and, you know, ask them, hey, can I do a free, you know, style on you? Or it doesn't have to be free, you know, discount it. But practice makes perfect. And if that doesn't work, y'all, if y'all need hands-on demonstration, come see me. I'll be in Dallas, Texas, October 16th. From 9 to 2. I'll leave all the information down in the description box. Come see your girl. Come kick it with me. And hey, I'll help you get it together. I also offer one-on-one sessions as well for beginners. So if you are a beginner, you're just now jumping out here, or hey, you want to learn a new trade, you can also come see me for that as well. Just go to my website, Artryssaglamtresses.com, and you'll be able to find all that information. Okay, y'all, I'm just speeding it back up now. I'm doing the same thing on all her braids, you know, sectioning it out good, getting that product down good, and, you know, parting it out right. So I'm gonna let you guys finish watching. I love y'all so much. Thank you so much for rocking with me. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers, y'all. Like, I can't believe it. It's been a long time coming. Welcome to the family. If you are new, if you've been here, what's up, fam? Y'all, stay safe out here. Continue to wash your hands and wear your mask. If you're vaccinated, still wear your mask. Love on your people, because tomorrow isn't promised. I know I said a lot, but I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.